Let's see how to make a shake with the Mixer AA. First, you add your liquid. Now, we recommend between 250 and 400 milliliters. And for those of you in the US, that's between 9 and 14 ounces. Use the measuring scale on the back for guidance. One click to activate the vortex. Now it's time to add your supplement. I'm going to be using the Purism Super Nutrient Plant Protein. Pour the supplement into the spinning vortex. Now, a handy tip here, if you're going to use any other ingredients like nut butters or coffee, now's the time to add that. 5 to 10 seconds of mixing, you're good to go. Deactivate the vortex with a single click, add the lid, and enjoy the smoothest shake of your life. Just as a quick recap, 3 steps. 1, add your liquid. 2, activate the vortex. 3, add your supplement.